SAF for aircraft operation, potential for 20 MWV of solar power, and use of electric vehicles from day one. The projection of regional and national art and culture through digital art program at Terminal 1. Such a delightful sight to see the inaugural landing of the Indian Air Force aircraft C-295. Ladies and gentlemen, I would encourage everyone to cheer up more and more. The Navi Mumbai International Airport, the inaugural landing of the Indian Air Force aircraft C-295, a transport aircraft, a multi-purpose aircraft, a carrier of heavy ammunition, and also used as a gunship, manufactured by Airbus in Spain.